Hello and welcome to Taste the Meal with Your Ears. This is a place where we explore inspiring books and powerful ideas in personal development. Today, we're jumping into Chapter 7 of Master Your Emotions, and it's all about something we do every single day, talking. The chapter is called How to Use Your Words to Influence Your Emotions, and believe me, it's a bigger deal than you might think. The words we pick, they have a direct line to how we feel. So, let's break down how you can actually start using that power.
So let's just start with a really direct question. I want you to think about this for a second. Are your words helping you, or are they hurting your confidence? I mean, the words you say out loud, and maybe even more importantly, the ones you say to yourself. Are they building you up, or are they quietly tearing you down, without you even noticing?
All right, so the first big idea we need to wrap our heads around is this. Your words literally shape your reality. There is a direct, undeniable link between what you say and how you feel. And this isn't some fluffy motivational quote. It's how our brains are wired. The language you feed your brain becomes the emotional state you live in.
You see, it's all connected in this incredible feedback loop. Your thoughts create your words then guide your actions and behaviors, and then those actions reinforce your original thoughts. It's a cycle that can either spiral you up or drag you down. But the amazing part, you can break into that cycle at any point. And the easiest point of entry is often your words. Change the words, and you can start to shift the entire system.
Just listen to the difference here. On one side, you have, I hope I can change career. You can almost feel the doubt in that, right? It's passive. But then on the other side, I will change career. It's active, it's certain, it's powerful. Or how about this one? I'll try to complete this project. Try leaves the door wide open for failure. But I will complete this project, that signals total commitment. The words are only slightly different, but the psychological shift is, well, it's huge.
So how do we start using this right now? Well, let's talk about a super simple but really effective technique. I like to call it the confidence word swap. It's all about consciously catching those words of doubt and swapping them out for words that build certainty.
Look at this. On the left, you've got all these wishy-washy words. Could, should, try, maybe. These words send signals of hesitation and uncertainty straight to your brain. But now look at the right. I will, absolutely, definitely, of course. These words program your mind for confidence and for success. Just making a conscious effort to make these little swaps in your daily conversations can have an immediate impact on how you feel.
Okay, so that word swap is awesome for those in-the-moment changes. But what if we want to go deeper? What if we want to create lasting change? Well, that's where the power of affirmations comes into play. This is a practice designed to literally rewire the subconscious beliefs that run the show.
So what exactly is a positive affirmation? It's basically a positive, powerful statement that you repeat over and over again. The goal here is to drill it down so deep that your subconscious mind starts to accept it as the truth. You're using repetition to build new neural pathways in your brain. You're conditioning your mind to automatically generate more positive emotions.
But, and this is a big but, for affirmations to actually work, you can't just mindlessly repeat them. There's a bit of a science to it. There's some key rules you've got to follow to make them truly effective. Think of this as the user manual for reprogramming your own brain. Let's run through these quickly. First, you have to use the present tense. Your brain operates in the now. I am confident tells it this is reality. I will be confident just keeps it off in the future forever. Second, stay away from negatives. Your subconscious mind kind of ignores the word not. So if you say, I am not shy, all it hears is shy. Instead, state what you are. I am confident. Third, you gotta be consistent. 5 minutes a day, every day. It's like going to the gym for your mind. And finally, and this is maybe the most important part, you have to involve emotion. Feel it, see it. Don't just say the words, experience them. Now, what if we could kick this up another level? What if you didn't just say the words, but you actually embodied them with your whole being? This is where we move from a simple affirmation to a powerful incantation. Here are a few really powerful examples from the book. I mean, just imagine standing in front of the mirror and saying, with real conviction, I love being confident, or I am independent of the good or bad opinions of others. And maybe the most powerful of all, looking yourself right in the eye and saying, I love you. It might feel a little weird at first, but it is such a profound act of self-acceptance. This idea is something life coach Tony Robbins talks about a lot. He calls it an incantation. The difference is key. You engage your whole body. You change your posture. You use gestures. You speak with energy.
You're combining the verbal with the physical to create a much more intense emotional state. You're not just saying it anymore, you are literally becoming it.
So as we wrap this up, I want to leave you with one simple but really profound question. Knowing what you know now, knowing the power that's right there in your own mouth, what will your words create for you today? Are you going to choose the language of doubt? Or are you going to choose the language of confidence, of certainty, of action? The choice is 100% yours.
See you in the next episode, where we'll explore Chapter 8 titled How Your Breathing Affects Your Emotions. It's another incredibly powerful tool for managing how you feel, and it's something you're doing right now. Thank you for listening. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and share your thoughts in the comments. Your support truly encourages us to keep creating more inspiring content for you.